There's babies in here. There they are. 1, 2. One. I think it's 3. There's 3. Oh my goodness. So Mama Bird and Daddy Bird have been coming all day while I've been at work, taking turns feeding them. And it's been just like clockwork, man. I mean, one goes out, another one goes in, one goes out, another one comes in. In fact, Mama is sitting out on the post right now waiting to come in. So I better get off of here and let her come feed her babies. Hey guys, welcome back to Ashley's Homestead Adventures. We are in the farm kitchen, and holy moly, the farm kitchen is super busy. You can see my face is all red. I've been in here for a while. I'll show you what we got going on. We have this is a sourdough white discard sandwich loaf. This is a sourdough loaf, just started. Cheeky is fed and getting happy on the counter. And in the most exciting news, I have done it. This is a chocolate chip sourdough loaf that just came out of the oven, and as you can see, the tips are gloriously browned and the rest of the loaf is beautiful. That is what I expect a perfect loaf to look like. Maybe could have scored it a little better. We do have, maybe a little too far down cracking. But I'm just so happy that I finally have figured out the bake time. Now it's a little inconvenient. I baked it at 400 for 20 minutes with the lid on, and then I baked it at 375 for 20 minutes with the lid off. And then it started getting crispy on the top, so I put the lid back on and baked it for another 10 minutes. So ideally, I probably would want to leave the lid on at the beginning of that, but that loaf is for sale. So I'm just so happy. I'm so happy that I finally have a chocolate loaf that is not garbage. So, and on top of that, we have I have a whoopsie tray of chocolate chip cookies, sourdough chocolate chip cookies in the fridge. And the only whoopsie part of that is I used my regular discard, not my chocolate discard. And then we have a chocolate chip cookies in the fridge also that are cooling. They have to cool for 2 hours and then we bake them. So yeah, farm kitchen is hopping tonight. I just got off work a couple of hours ago and just hopped in here and was like, I'm gonna mash this out, and now we're headed outside for a beautiful evening on the farm. I've got to finish churning compost. We've got critters to feed. Yeah, should be an exciting vlog. Come along. So 60 grams of butter. You know it's a good day when you've gone through 3 sticks of butter. $20 grams of sugar. Oh, I hope I have 20. I'm gonna go find my sugar bucket in case. Good call. 10 grams of salt, 7 grams of instant yeast. Whoa. 6 minutes. Woo. All right, we're gonna cover her up for an hour. Might as well do the first stretch and folds on this one. Update on these guys. 5 days to hatching. You. Rescue more. Groomer. Hold on. I'm gonna dig out your pill and say, just eat it. Okay. Happy. Okay. Hops. Ah. Okay. Ooh, swallowing. What was that? Little motorboat. Okay, and while we let that preheat, I'm gonna go out and do chicken chores. Grace, you're eating your grain. Silly girl. Goodness. You don't get grain twice. You don't get fed twice. You most especially don't get fed corn. Thank you, ladies. Hello, boys. They crack me up with their little noises that they make every time I feed them or give them a treat. Pops just ran through and knocked you with his tail. Oh, here is what the compost piles look like at the moment. I kind of made a royal mess. I mean, not terrible, but I need to finish cleaning up this pile and move it to there, tidy up those two a little bit, and then this pile will move to the right, and then I'll push up what's there from like here that way. Oh, wind. That is on the list of things to do today. I hope I get to it, but I'm not really sure that I will or not. Just the way the cookie crumbles, quite literally, with needing to do some serious baking tonight. I have quite a few orders to fill this week, so we'll see. We'll see what I get done. I'm gonna keep on it going, and until the good Lord gives me a sunset and says, okay, it's time to rest. Pretty decent bucket of eggs, though. Oh, no. I want to take these and put half of them on a different cookie sheet to give them more room to expand when they bake. 2, 3, 4, center. Okay. And they're gonna go in for 16 minutes. Stretch and fold. Dinner of Champions. That's the viral sushi, California sushi roll cucumber thing. It has got no, you got to do little loaf pans, you silly woman. Got cucumbers, imitation crab, some honey garlic that Mr. Wonderful actually made, celery, Kewpie mayo, red pepper flakes, and some soy sauce. Alright, I can smell the cookies. Let's temp them. Oh, they look done. Yes. Alright. You are going to have to move over, sir. Okay, same thing. These in. oven. And 16 minutes. Okay, you guys, I'm going to let you go there. I will show you the chocolate cookies when they come out of the oven, and also probably the sourdough white sandwich mini loaves when they come out of the oven. I'll pop them in at the very end of this video, but I appreciate you guys coming along with me and enjoying another day on the farm. I hope it was a good one for you. I'll catch you on the next one. Yours truly. There they are out of the oven. Beautiful. Well, here's the mini loaves out of the oven, little overachievers that they are. There they are. They're so cute. Here is our evening of baking.